A thumbs up. Do we have a second? We have 2. That means drivers, hands off the controllers. 3, 2, 1, go!
And away we go.
Qual 91 has 3686 electrolytes and 22999
Shooting for the Red
KMET
Alliance.
and Big Gears, alongside 3034 Organized Chaos and 14596 Accelerate.
Blue classifier cleared already. Accelerate and Organized Chaos. Organized Chaos power switch going to park. The tire robot and 8 gears also moving very deliberately, trying to pick up some things from the spikes. Are they going to shoot? Not yet.
Drivers, pick up
Accelerate
your controls.
has definitely pulled ahead the Blue Alliance. All robots moving well.
3, 2, 1.
Away we go. Organized Chaos driver picking up artifacts, missing, coming back to try again. Accelerate on the other hand, focusing on a good strategy of just emptying the gate, picking up artifacts from there, and shooting. As are electrolytes for the Red Alliance and the TIE Robot for N8 gears. Orange as it goes and is get fed by the human partner. Picking up multiple artifacts coming in. Accelerate, shooting, missing with all 3. The field resetters will take that. Organized Chaos loading up their robot with at least 1 artifact that I can see. Lighting up artifacts for their robot. Red advancing nicely, catching up with Blue. Accelerate, keeping the strain on, keeping the pace on for Blue. Blue was in the secret tunnel. Ref calls on that. And that was Red's secret tunnel that Blue was in. So we got to watch the markings on the floor as we go around. Picking up artifacts and shooting. Obelisk gets discharged. Blue Alliance slowly consolidating on that lead of about 30 points or so as we creep under the minute mark. Organized Chaos still trying to reach their robot. 2. Pick up artifacts in line. That robot has been struggling with some of its steering. And instead, Red Alliance scoring consistently. Blue Alliance still ahead by 30 points, very much on Accelerate's terms. Contact between Red and Blue robots. Accelerate working really hard for Blue Alliance here. X8 gears shooting 1, 2, 3. That robot has been a model of consistency as we go into endgame. Accelerate shoots. Will they take one more shot before they go for parking? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Accelerate, rearing up, pulling a wheelie to get full parking points there.
The Blue Alliance takes the victory with a score of 207-161. 4 ranking points means upward motion on Blue. You know the drill. Downward on Red because no ranking points. Great.